This was the Darwin's theory of Mars evolution.
But Professor, how this theory will help us to start human colonization on Mars?
This is quite simple, as we know that after the war, the atmosphere became thin there and all water dried up and was vaporized or freezed in the polar caps of Mars. So this will provide us an area of good temperature and high pressure.
But sir, how we will able to reach on Mars and how we will able to sustain life on
That I will
Mars?
show you on my computer screen, so let's see and understand how we can sustain life on Mars. As per the present scenario, our SpaceX agency is trying to send nuclear bombs on pole caps of Mars. This supersonic missile will be launched from the SLC-40 launch center of SpaceX. After 2 days of the launch day, the nuclear bomb will cross the magnetic field of the Earth, catching a velocity of 40,000 kilometers. Then, this supersonic missile will reach on the surface of Mars after 6 to 7 months from the launch day. Then, the missile will aim towards the north and south pole caps of Mars and nuke it. This explosion will vaporize all the freeze water into water vapors, and it will also moderate the temperatures near the poles of Mars. The vapors will start small rains in the Mars. Then after this process, we will send our commercial spacecrafts with robots, astronauts and scientists from the South Texas launch site towards the Mars. After 2 days of the launch day, the spacecraft will cross the magnetic field of the Earth with a velocity of 46,000 kilometers. And the reusable rockets will detach from the main rocket and they will return back to the South Texas launch center of the SpaceX, and they will be ready for the next launch. On the other hand, after 5 months, the main rocket will reach on the Arcadia Planitia area of Mars, which is the most temperate area of Mars. There the scientists will land, and without wasting any much time, they will make there the Marsha houses, which are the most special designed houses for the sustainable of life there. Then they will make their artificial bubble wrap domes which will protect the crops from the harmful UV rays. These domes are designed with special thick polycarbonate plastics which will reflect all the harmful UV rays from the beams of sunlight. Then firstly we can go there the bamboo trees because they have the best abilities to survive the harsh climate of Mars. Then they will make their special commercial space station that will help us to transport materials like crops, manure, metals, etc. in order to complete their basic necessities. Then they will make the mining factories that will help them to get more iron, nickel, gold, etc. from the surface of the Mars, which can be used to extend more human colonization. Then they will make their more and more mechanical O2 trees which will rapidly take CO2 from the Martian atmosphere and convert it into O2 rapidly with their special chemical processes. If we succeed to make all this structure and to execute all these plans, then till the end of 2050 we can turn this old Mars into the new terraformed human colonized Mars 2050. It will be our biggest achievement in the history of universe.
I am excited for this achievement, sir.
Me too.